Hello there. In this video, we will show you how to design a sample process that includes word operations with Robusta RPA tool. In our example process, we will ensure that the text in an existing Word file is assigned to a variable, and the table in the file is saved as an Excel file. We started our process by using the Open activity under the Word section to open the Word file. Just drag and drop the activities you want to use into the design area as I have just shown you, and enter the relevant parameters. We wrote the directory of our Word file with its name to the Word file name field. A reference name is given to the Word file in the Word name field in order to choose which Word file we are processing in the next steps of the process. In the next step, with getText activity, we transferred the text in the Word file to a variable. For this, a reference name is given to the Word file in the Word name field in order to choose which Word file we are processing in the next steps of the process. Then, in the result variable name field, we defined the variable that we want to assign the text value as textDemo. With readTable to Dataset activity, we transferred the table in the Word file to a dataset. Later, we will save this dataset as an Excel file. In the Word name field, we selected the reference name of the Word file. After selecting the Word file we want to work on from the list, we wrote the name of the variable we want to assign the table to in the new dataset name field. In the table index field, we wrote which table it is in the Word file that we want to transfer to the dataset. Since we want to process the first table in the Word file, we entered 1 in the table index field. We checked the Has header box because our table has a header row. Finally, with the Save As activity under the Dataset component, we saved the table information that we transferred to the dataset as a new file in Excel format. In the Dataset name field, we selected the dataset that we want to save as an Excel file from the list. In the Text File name field, we wrote the directory of the file we want to save the Excel file in, and in the Type field we selected the Excel option. These two options are to be used only to save CSV files, thus, we did not make any changes and left it as default. Lastly, we finished our process with an end event. Now let's run our process by clicking the Run button. Our process is now scheduled and will be run by the scheduler service. Since the activities used in this process completely run at the backend, we do not see any activity on our screen. In the scheduled process pages, we can see our process was completed successfully. You can follow the steps ran in the process and see the detailed information about the variables that was used in the process on this screen. Here, we see the text in the Word file has been successfully assigned to the relevant variable. Now let's look at the Excel file created in the process. As you can see, the table in the Word file has been saved as a new Excel file. We have completed our demo video. I hope it was useful for you. Hope to see you again.